Talent Mbatha, I think the board is nothing special about him, but what I love, energy mfethu. Noma ngenza mistake ngizoya. He's got the energy. Yes, I love Jaden Adams, but when you check, compare, you cannot look Omiyeke Mfano talent ngale energy na. You can't. Like yes, in terms of decision making, because Avela, keep your composure, technically, yes, you'll compliment your nigga, Jaden, but this boy set standard loya mfana uyazavile Pirates when they got the ball it's only him misho ngibone na first half mina uyalanda noma lose aphinda lwini a rather foul maybe tactical foul and uyakwazi ukuthi ayenze tactical foul if i-team outnumbered at the back. I think ngiyamcompliment ana game namhla sipanile loya mfana ngikhuluma work ethic yakhe ngithandile mina in today's game in terms of going forward and also box to box sort of, and yes he lost so many ball but availing phela umakhehleni is like umuntu omdala, the energy is not there. Yes i-positioning yakhe ukuthi abe there is more of extra center back badlala nga-3 makakhona iphinde incede Orlando Pirates because ababi outnumbers mangabe i-wing back badlala kwamanye amagame awekho, but talent in today's game naye ngizomcompliment.
The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love.